And welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to detail a slab the right way. I've seen a lot of softwares and a lot of people detailing the slabs incorrectly, so I think I will try to show you how this is done the correct way. So I have my small structure here, a small building. That way it will be very easy for me to do it and very easy to explain. So actually this is a job that I've done, and I've already submitted this, but I just want to show you again. So first of all, most of the time you'll have like something like this. You'll correct your layout. So what I will do here, I will just copy this, and then I will paste it right here, and another one right here. Okay, so this I will write here, I'll write bottom reinforcement details. Okay, and here I will write top reinforcement details. So this will be top reinforcement details. Okay, so what you want to do first, let's start with bottom reinforcement, which is very easy. Okay, so in bottom reinforcement we know that the reinforcement will be arranged going like this and like this, the entire area. And if you see something like this, it means there will be no slab here. So that means in this area it's a staircase area, or sometime maybe a lift area. But in this building, this is a staircase area. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I will just draw my reinforcement. So I'll just I've already there are already my layers here. So I'll go to rebar bottom and then just draw. So I know that on my I can just draw my reinforcement here. Wait. Okay, I'll just draw my reinforcement right here, and it should go like this. And one tip, always your reinforcement, try to use thicker lines than the labeling lines. Okay, the reinforcement should have thicker lines than the labeling lines. Okay, so another reinforcement, I can go from here to here. Okay, and this will be used for this part. Now for this part, I'll take another reinforcement and draw it like this, and the vertical one should go like this. Okay, the next thing you should know is that when I was designing this, I got I got the reinforcement data. My slab was 150 millimeters thickness, and I got the reinforcement of 12 millimeter bars with a spacing of 250. Okay, so I'm going to use 12 millimeter diameter bars with a spacing of 250. Now what you need to know, so this will be my bottom reinforcement details. So I should have bottom 1 and bottom 2. Okay, so what we need to know is this reinforcement, because we need to check which is the larger panel. So the larger panel is this one, and which is the larger side. So this is the larger side. That means this from here to here, I mean from 1 to 2 is the shortest span. So that means this reinforcement is the bottom one. So this should be the bottom, because it is spanning on the shorter side. That means this should be at the bottom of the reinforcement. So this will be at the top of this. They are both bottom reinforcement, but this one, because it's span on the shorter side, it should be at the bottom than this one. So this will be bottom 1 and this will be bottom 2. So now what remains is for me to name my my reinforcement. So what I'm going to do, I will just select red button, this one, and then I will take my dimension. Okay, sorry, I'll just take this one, linear, and then this reinforcement, I said it is bottom, so I will start from here and let's say up to here. And what I'm going to do, yes, so as you can see, okay, first of all, I want this to be here on top. Okay, so this distance, I just draw it roughly, but this distance supposed to be 5700. So what I should do here is I should divide this by 250, because I said my spacing is my spacing during design I got 250. So what I'm supposed to do is to take 5700 divide by 250. If I divide by 250, I'm getting 22.8. So what does it mean? If I'm getting 22.8, it means I should have a 23 bars of this size. They will be arranged like this for the entire area. So I can write like this. I can write like 23 y12 but spacing of 200, and this is bottom one. I can write like this, okay, and then I can pull it up a little bit. No, I don't want to do this. Yes, I just want to be like this. Okay, and if I can put a bracket here, so it should be like that. Oh, okay. Okay, now this is for bottom one. Now for this one, it should go from here to here. So this will be bottom two, okay? And what I'm going to do is I will just take linear, and then I will start from here and all the way to here. And also I will just take it top a little bit. Okay, so 5200 plus 5200 is 1040, but I'll just add it in my calculator. Yes, I'll have 10,400 divided by 250, and I'll get 41.6. That is 42. So what I'm going to do is I will edit this, and I'll write 42 y12. Sorry, I want y to be capital Y. Okay, y12 by spacing of 250. I'm sorry, I write 200 here, but it's supposed to be 250. And then this will be B2. So it means bottom two. Okay, so I'll just come here very quickly and edit this to 250. Okay, so I've detailed this part. Now I should go to this part. So this part, I will just use this same rule that the horizontal bars are the bottom one. Although in this space the vertical one should be bottom one, but due to maintaining the consistency of detailing, I have to use the verticals one as B2 and the horizontal one as B1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will just take linear, and then I will draw till here, and like this, and then okay, so this one is 5200. So 5200 divided by 250, I'll get 20.8, which is 21. So I'll just edit here, and I'll say 21 y12 for spacing of 250, and this will be bottom 2. Okay, I'm just maintaining this consistency. This is supposed to be bottom 1, but just to maintain the consistency, I'll put it to bottom 2, and I'll tell you why. Because this reinforcement, when he's detailing here, when they're arranging the bars here, this reinforcement will be say I'll just move it a little bit, copy. Okay, so when he's arranging starting from here, so he won't cut this bar. This bar, he will be till here, you know. So he will do like this, and then arrange them, and then move it here, and then move it the next one here, next one here, until when he reach here, then he will cut it, and then he will have a piece there. So that is what that's what's happening. That's why I'm maintaining the B2 here, and also I have to go to B1, so I will take this one and here. Okay, so okay, so this is 2700 divided by 2700 divided by 250. I'm getting 10.8, which is 11. So this will be B1. Okay, so 11 y12, spacing of 250, and this is and this will be B1. Other people, if they want, they can write center to center in front of this, but I don't like. I enjoy doing that. The other thing here, so this is I've done with my detailing of bottom reinforcement. The rest is to just you can just go to any I like to use red color sometime, any red color. For example, I just use this and then use circle, and then as you can see, so this was the detailing of this bar. So I will take this one and say that. Okay, so it shows which then copy this one, and I will remove this, and then okay, so this bar and this one, okay, and this one and this one, and this one with that one. Okay, so these circles are showing which dimension is for which reinforcement, so that no one is getting confused. So right now I have completely detailed my bottom reinforcement. So what remains is for my top reinforcement. So what is the top reinforcement is a little bit tricky. It's not as easy as the bottom reinforcement, but it's not very difficult. So I'll show you just now. So when we're detailing the bottom reinforcement, first of all, I will just draw my reinforcements, and then I will label. Okay, so I will go to my reinforcement, and let's say rebar top, and then what I'm going to do, first of all, there will be a reinforcement. I'll start from here. There will be a reinforcement from here till down here, and this reinforcement will be arranged for the distance of 5200 divided by 3, so until somewhere here. So he'll arrange the first one, the second one, the third one, until he gets to 1/3 of this panel, and then after that you should show another one, which should be this one should be the height. Its height, I mean the height or the length of this bar that I'm drawing now should be 1/3 of this distance. So 1/3 of 5700, I'll take 5700 divided by 3, I'll get 1900. So I'll write here 1900. Okay, so this should be the length of the bar, and actually I can copy this and I can also paste it here, because since the panel are the same in length, so this thing will be the same. And on this side I will also have the same on this side, so I'll copy this and put it here. Okay, and also on this side I will also have another bar, long bar. okay, until this way, because it doesn't go this, because there's no slab here. Okay, now what else do I need? I will have a bar that starts from here and to here. So this I can copy this one, copy selection, and I will paste it right here. So this bar will go, this bar, let me delete these details a little bit. We don't need this in slab reinforcement detail, because there is it's drawing for this. Okay, so this bar will go from here, and it will take 1/3 of this part and 1/3 of this part. So that means I'll draw it on this side, because this side is long. It should be longer than this side. He will arrange the full like this one, but when he gets to this beam, he will cut it and have a small one like this one. But I will just put one and put the dimension. You'll get the point when I'm drawing the dimensions. Okay, so, and on this part I should have this reinforcement. Copy this, and I will paste it right here. But this reinforcement should cross this, and should go, the length from this beam to this panel should be 1/3 of 2700. So I'll take 2700 divided by 3, I'll get 900. So I should extend this by 900. Enter. Yes. So you see this, the length from here to here is 1/3 of this length, and the length from the beam to where it ends is 1/3 of this length. You should remember this always. And also, since I had 900, so I'll need another bar here, and it should be 900. So by the way, I have to remind you, this is according to British standard, because my country, we are using British standard. So this is how we are detailing according to British standards. Okay, so this will be these bars, they will be top 2. Okay, so now we need top 1. So what I'm going to do now, we need the verticals, the horizontal one. So also from this one we will draw another reinforcement, and this will go until here, and I will move it a little bit. Yes. Okay, so this bar, they should arrange this bar 1/3 of this one, of this distance. So 1/3 of 5700 divided by 3, I'll get 1900. Okay, that's one. And another one, I should have I will have another bar here on the center, which its length should be 1/3 of 5200. So its length should be 5200 divided by 3 is 1733. 1734. I'll just check it. 1734. Okay, like that. And because this panel have the same distance, so I can copy this and I can paste it right here. Okay, so and so also I can take this and copy it and put it at the center here. See, this was 17. I've forgotten the number, so I have to check again. It is 1734. So it should be times 2. 1734 again. Why? Because this one should be 1/3 of this one. This length, this bar should be 1/3 of this length. So this bar on this side should be 1/3 of this length, and on this side should be 1/3 of this length. Okay, so that's why I did that. And also I can take this one and I didn't want to move it. I can take this one and copy it and paste it right here. Okay, so also this one I'll take, it will go 1/3 of that way and 1/3 of this way. I'm putting it on this side because there's no slab here, so when he's arranging to this area, it should be cut. Okay, the next thing is to put a bar here, which should be the length of this one. So I can just copy this and I will paste it right here. And also I can take, because it's the same panel and there's no slab, right, I should do like this. Okay, and lastly I can draw another bar, which is the last bar for top reinforcement, is this one. Okay, so this is the arrangement of my top bars, and as you can see at the center here there will be no reinforcement at the center here. Okay, so how do we label this? First of all, I will go to my rebar label top, and then I'll go to my annotation. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I can go to linear. Okay, first of all, what I need to do is I'll detail this bar. So this bar will be will start from here, and it will go 1/3 of 5700 length. So 5700 divided by 3, I'll get 1900. So I'll write 1900. Okay, enter. Yes, 1900, enter. So this one will be yes, 1900. Okay, I want to decrease this a little bit, so I'll just take I have another, okay, slab text. Yes, I just want it to be a little bit small. Okay, why it is 1 second. I have this. No, I don't. That I want, and then I want it to be small. Slab text. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, just take it a little bit here. Okay. So I have 1900. So my spacing is 250 as always. So I'll check 1900 divided by 250. I'll get 7.6. So I'll take 8 bars. Okay. I will take 8 bars. 8 by 12 for spacing of 250. I will call this as a T. Let me check here. It was 1. So I'll call this as a T1. Okay. And yep, like that. Okay, so this bar, you see, this bar will be arranged from here. We will need 8 bars of this length. They will be arranged from here with a spacing of 250 until when they reach here. They won't use this anymore. They will start to use this now. So because this panel is the same, that means this piece will also run 1/3 of this length. So that means it will have the same number of bars. So I can copy this and I can paste it and make sure that it ends at the same distance that one started. Yes, I can do that, and then I can move this so that it is a little bit visible. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, this bar now will be arranged for this distance, but also I can copy this and paste it on here and on here. Both of these bars will be moving or will be arranged on the same distance. Okay, so this bar now. So this bar, I have 8 bars that should be arranged on this side, but it was 900 on this side. So if I want, I can take 5. First of all, I'll take 5700 divided by 3, and then 1900 plus 900, and this will be 2800. So I'll get 2800. So that means I can take a dimension, and obviously it start from here, or if I want, I can take this reference and I will go to 2800 until there. Okay, and then I will say here, and I can move it a little bit, and then I should change it to slab text because I want it to be small, because otherwise they will I don't know why it's okay, it should be on this side. Okay, why is the yes, you know what, I'll just arrange it after. Yes, like this. Okay, so right now I can move this because I just took a reference there. I can move this to say here. So that means this bar, okay, this one, I don't. So this bar will be arranged from here up to here. So how many bars we will need? We'll take 2800 divided by 250, which is our spacing. Okay, I'll take 200 divided by 250. I'll get 11.2 bars. So I'll take 12 bars. Okay, always add one. 12 bars of y 12. Okay, by spacing of 250, and this is also BT1. So it should be like this, and I can yes. See, it's like that. Now again, I'll need this one, so it's 900. 1/3 of this one, 1/3 of this one is 900. So I'll just go from here, and I'll write 900. Yes, like this. Okay, and then I will yes, and then I will I'll just select this one so that it can be a little bit smaller. Slab text. Yes, a little bit. Yes. Okay, so 900 by 250, I'll get 4. So I'll just edit this one. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so I'll get 4 of y12 by spacing of 250, and this will be T1. Okay, so that means, and these bars will also use the same distance. So I can copy this one, and I will just make sure just make sure I paste it right here. Okay, and then I can move a little bit like this, and then copy selection. Yes, like that. So I have detailed all the T1s. Now what I need to do is do the same for T2. So I will just do this very quickly, and you'll see how I'm doing this. Okay. Okay guys, that is all. That is how you detail your top reinforcement. Now what we need to do is just take this one, and we just put it on our reinforcement, and you just see how I do it. There you have it, guys. This is now a fully detailed slab with we have bottom reinforcement here, and we have top reinforcement here. So this is a fully detailed slab which can be submitted for verification and then for construction. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I need this. Okay.